Hey there, it's Ryan Nelson. If you've been on the hunt for a side hustle that requires zero cold calling, no technical expertise, and involves no hard sales, then you are in for a treat. Introducing the new 3-step AI side hustle course, a game changer that reveals how to pocket 5 figures per month, offering simple services fulfilled with artificial intelligence in minutes. Imagine learning everything, even the exact spots where clients are eager to pay today can be found. Whether you're already working with clients or gearing up to, and if you want to cash in within days following a proven blueprint, then join me on Thursday, March 7th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's the free event of AI Side Hustle, and you don't want to miss it. Because as always, my friend Joshua Zamora and his team are geared up to provide you with top-notch training, incredible value, an unbeatable offer, and jaw-dropping bonuses. The real deal awaits, and you need to be there live. But don't just take my word for it. Listen to what others just like you have achieved with this course.
And I thought it would help anyone who's on the fence or who doesn't think it's legit. This week I potentially have 2 clients that I'll be able to close all just from my laptop. It was super easy to follow. He does a lot of the work for you. Stay consistent with it, and I hope this helps answer any questions that you have. Thanks.
So I actually joined last Friday, June 24th, and I put my first few listings Monday, that following Monday, and boom, I had people hit me up within an hour asking me about logos and websites, and I was just blown away at like how quick things happened. I've actually even talked to the guy. He's super nice. He answers your questions once you're inside the course. And yeah, I just felt really good about it. Guys, everything that I'm talking about was under a week. I got 6 people that hit me up. So hopefully this helps you guys make your decision.
What's going on, guys? My name is James, and this might be the ultimate side gig, especially if you're constantly busy but you still want to make some extra cash. And in his videos, he shows you how to do everything step by step from start to finish. And upon joining, you'll make your money back fairly quickly. You could be closing a website client a few days from now for $2,000. Anyways, I wanted to come on here to help those learn more about this and encourage you to take a chance on the Craigslist middleman. Clear things up for you, for anybody. Thanks, and take care.
Are you ready to transform your side hustle game with never before seen AI monetization strategies? Then click the link below this video and secure your spot for this exclusive live training session. Act now. Your future self will thank you.